Let's look at some of the tools that are used to measure things used in manufacturing. Rulers and tape measures both measure length. Let's talk to an expert about the ruler.
This is a typical ruler. You probably used one in school. This ruler is 12 inches long and has a scale of 1/16 of an inch. Each inch is marked by a long line, and each line is numbered consecutively to represent the distance in inches from the start of the ruler. There are also 16 little lines between each inch of this ruler. These lines stand for fractions or parts of an inch. To read a ruler, first align the left edge of the ruler with the left edge of the item you are measuring. To get an accurate measurement of an item that is not in exact whole inches, go to the inch marking your item has just passed. Now, starting at the 7-inch mark, count the number of little lines or marks up to the right edge of the item you are measuring. There are 3 marks, which is read as 3/16. Now, all we have to do is combine the 2 numbers we read earlier. First, we read the inches and then the fractions of the inch. So our pencil is 7 and 3/16 inches long.
A tape measure is another tool we use to measure length. It's like a big flexible ruler. Let's see what our expert has to say.
This is a tape measure. A typical tape measure can measure up to 25 feet. Each foot on a tape measure is represented by a number and the letter F. This stands for feet. 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. You read a tape measure just like a ruler, except you read the number of feet first. Then you read inches, followed by fractions of inches. First, align the left end of the tape measure with the left edge of the item you are measuring. Next, find the number of feet on the tape measure that the length of the item you are measuring has passed. Next, find the number of inches on the tape measure that the length of the item you are measuring has passed. Now, starting at the inch mark, count the number of little lines or marks up to the right edge of the item you are measuring. Adding these numbers together, you would say this stick measures 1 foot, 2 inches, and 5/16 of an inch.
Now you are ready to practice measuring length with a ruler and tape measure. Measure away!